yieldWerx is different from other semiconductor analytic tools. We are architected for flexibility and scalability by separating our core features into individual modules that interoperate and seamlessly integrate.
Let's take a look at yieldWerx product offerings. Actionable insight begins with good, clean data. Our 4 foundational components, which sit at the heart of our architecture, enable just that. End-to-end data lifecycle management. A robust architecture that supports complex data retention rules. Unified repository with BI. A single source of truth database harmonizing data across semiconductor lifecycle. yieldWerx enables customers to create as many databases as they need. Practical uses of this feature include the ability to have engineering, production, characterization databases. Enterprise system integrations. Facilitates bi-directional data integrations across industry tools and manufacturing engineering systems. Automated analysis and dispositioning. Automated data acquisition with cleaning and data augmentation. On top of this foundational architecture are yieldWerx configurable product modules. Process, yield analytics and reporting. Holistic end-to-end data visualizations and insight with over 300 ready-to-use comprehensive reports, and an intuitive BI dashboard that can be accessed anywhere. Product device setup. Advanced product customizations for wafer, reticle, and die, including characteristics and rules for raw data enrichment, real-time equipment control, and support for complex business rules. Defect management. Management of the metrology, critical dimension, images, and defect data via a visual interface that enables image-guided correlation analysis for rapid and precise root cause identification. Quality control and risk containment, robust outlier detection algorithms, including PAT++, zonal PAT, nearest neighbor residual, real-time process controls for SPC, SPL, and SYL, as well as an advanced custom limits manager. Assembly map generation. Ink and inkless wafer and reticle mapping, allowing full control and seamless integration between prober and wafer test sites. Advanced packaging and board management, and wafer bank screening and grading. Real-time machine control and monitoring. Real-time or passive data collection from equipment supporting real-time wafer maps, OEE, RMA analysis, yield prediction helping to minimize retest and unnecessary touchdowns. Multi-dimensional wafer merge. Merges and redefines unique wafer and datasets, automating the merging process while applying unique rules and policies for comprehensive what-if analysis. Parameter genealogy, IP and test parameter traceability that can track IP blocks and their specifications to enhance clarity, traceability, and consistency in IP specifications. Automated lot disposition. Proactive, real-time lot and wafer screen management equipped with advanced AI and ML algorithms for rapid data analysis, commonality analysis, root cause knowledge graphs, and lot genealogy. Test program recipe management. Stringent test program release controls with version control of test program files, vectors, patterns, and more, ensuring a clear distinction between engineering, qualification, and production release data. These 11 configurable product modules make up yieldWerx's product suite.
By nature of this architecture, we are able to provide cost-effective solutions for our customers of all sizes and support products from NPI to advanced production. Our vision at yieldWerx is to be the #1 semiconductor data analytics platform in the world, providing the tools and services that help semiconductor companies of all sizes design and manufacture the most reliable chips in the most cost-effective way.